explaining every Shikigami in Jujutsu Kaisen, and today we're going to be covering the eight-headed divergent Scylla Divine General Maharaga. Pretty long name, I know, but when it comes to its ability, he's pretty strong too. So the main ability of the Shikigami comes from adaptation. The Shikigami is able to adapt to any and all phenomena that the Shikigami sees or experiences. By experiences, I mean getting damage itself. So whenever the Shikigami gets damaged, it is able to adapt to any and all phenomena. And there's a pretty big misconception in the community that Maharaga can only adapt to things it gets damaged by or its user gets damaged by, but that is not the case, as even if Maharaga is able to just see the phenomena happen, it is able to adapt to it. The only thing that directly experience this like attack does is accelerates the process of adaptation, and after adapting to the like circumstance like attack, curse technique or anything of sort, it gets the resistance slash immunity to that phenomena depending on what type of it is, and it is also able to copy that move if it can. Like it was able to copy Sukuna's dismantle after it saw it. The way it is able to do is by spinning the wheel on its head, and every time it spins it does one adaptation, and the longer the like the more complex the phenomena is, the more spins the wheel takes. And even after adapting, it doesn't stop there, as it continuously adapts more and more, trying to perfect the adaptation. Like in its battle against Sukuna, not Sukuna, Gojo, Maharaga took five like spins to adapt to infinity, and even after that he kept going until he was able to develop the world cutting slash. So it's not just like defensive adaptation, it is even able to adapt to attack or harm enemies, so it is able to just bypass any defenses given enough time. So yeah, pretty strong Shikigami overall. One of the, if not the best Shikigami in the entire series, that it is able to pretty much do anything that any other like Shikigami is able to do given enough time. So yeah, it's easily number one Shikigami.